Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 35 how to post multiple photos on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now we can go to the iPhone itself and then navigate to the Instagram application. Make sure you sign into the account, go to your profile, go to the upload button, and now find a couple of photos to upload. 1, 2, 3. Select multiple photos. So 1, 2, 3. You can share up to 10, but for this tutorial, we are only using 3 photos. Next again. In your caption, write something like computer science videos dash multiple photos. A couple of dots, okay. We can tag people, add location, post to social media. But for this tutorial, we will share. Wait a couple of seconds for the post to upload to Instagram. Go to your home page, go to your profile, swipe down a couple of times. The post is now online on your account. Go back to your iPhone home page. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.